Hi, this is Ron Perrin with Ron Perrin Water Technologies. We're located here in Fort Worth, Texas. This is one of our new hires, Alex Rubenstein. We call him Ruby, getting suited out by Nick. We're working in West Texas this week. This tank had several feet of sediment in it. You never know what they're going to look like until you get in there. You can follow us at Facebook and also check out our website at ronperrin.com. This is a tank that had about 3 inches of sediment in it. We're showing the pumps running, cleaning it out. The sediment usually resembles the ground around the tank. We're going to move on to an elevated now. This tank was nice, had a nice guardrail on top of it. Diver's about to go in. We've got the safety gear standing there for the standby diver. Our divers are all certified from a diving academy that would qualify them to go offshore and dive, and they've chosen to work inshore and work on water tanks. So going down in this elevated, we've cleaned some of it. Now we've gone back down to get the rest of it. And touchdown. Our equipment is purchased for and only used in potable water. In addition to that, the diver is washed down with a 200 parts per million chlorine solution to meet US EPA standards. There's our website again at ronperrin.com. Also, find us on Facebook and follow us on our blog at tankdiver.us. Thanks for taking time to watch our video. And again, check out our blog at tankdiver.us and our website at ronperrin.com.